I'd fucking just leave.
Alright, YouTube, here we are. T-Live 1972. I'm here with mgelsing. We're splitting the box. Seal's good. I'm going to let Joe have the honors of popping this box so he can hear what it sounds like.
I want my knife.
Go ahead, Joe.
Yep, ain't quite clear.
Nice. Checklist.
That little
Package. There she is. Seal looks good.
I just hope I get more in the box.
I hope we get a good one. Me and mgelsing, we split a box. We did a team random. We know who they are. We might Melbourne Cowboy ourselves. I hope not. But there's the random.
Let's just tell you. There's the Chiefs. I think I got the Chiefies. I got one card anyhow.
Okay, we're going to flip them out. We're going to pull the bottom base. Okay, first card is for the Broncos.
That's my.
That'd be Joe's. We got
That's a
a
rookie.
Brandon Marshall.
That's a rookie, isn't it? Or not last year's. Not like the year
Yeah.
before. He ain't a rookie, is he?
89 out of 99. For the Chiefs. Here's how we're doing this one. We have a Bobby Bell.
Never heard of him.
Me neither. 21 out of 99. Who's the Chiefs?
Man.
Two Gelsinger cards.
There's two bombs.
Ooh,
Who's this guy?
nice.
Oh, that's the Vikings. Who is it?
John David Booty.
Never heard of him.
Yeah, he's going to be quarterback.
Oh, yeah?
Wow.
Wow, that's a
14
good
out of
one.
25. Is that yours?
No, it's yours. Minnesota, right?
Yep.
It's yours.
All right, that's mine.
Give me something, Daisy. Give me
14
something.
out of 25.
What's the next guy?
Tom Brady,
Ah,
Patriots.
that's yours too.
24 out of 25.
What's the next one?
Jets.
That's mine, I think.
Starting quarterback this year,
Yep.
Eric Ainge.
Never heard of him.
66 out of 99. Starting quarterback this
Is
year.
it?
Yep.
Never heard of him.
Next.
Who's he?
No shit.
That's
I just busted the Howie Long.
oh
Raiders.
yeah, that's yours. Howie Long, there he is. That's probably the hit there.
We still
Hey,
got a
give me
rookie
something
yet.
good.
We still got a rookie yet.
Well, that's
Whoa.
who's that? Who's the other guy? What's he play for?
We got Kevin
Patriots,
O'Connell
That's both yours.
and Deshaun Jackson.
That's yours too.
Sick patch. 6-6 sick patch out of 25. Come on, Joe. This one's got to be
I hope
yours.
so. Hope to get one of them.
Dude, you just
Tampa
busted
Bay.
the Matt Ryan.
Oh, that's
You just
Matt
busted
Ryan.
the Matt Ryan, man.
Cool.
Oh, the
Alright.
gold parallel. Woo! The gold
All right,
parallel.
we're all did good then.
The gold parallel. Look at that patch, man. You're looking
I
at
thought it was a Tampa Bay guy.
That's on card signature. Watch it. Dude, the hit of the case, man.
Oh man, sweet. I'm selling that.
Holy shit. Look at that.
Holy cow.
Me and Joe split. He had the
you
Falcons.
did good too, though, didn't you?
I'm happy. That's good.
Howie Long's worth some money.
We just busted the Matt Ryan gold parallel, 17 out of 25. Sick patch, man. Sick.
Well, who's the rookie? Oh, that's the rookie there, right?
Yep.
Wow. And I got to start the quarterback? I never heard of him either, man.
No shit.
Oh man, you gonna sell that for me? I'll give you $20 commission.